The first thing you notice in Marrakech isn't the sight, but the scent, a rich tapestry of cumin, roasting meats, and sweet mint tea hanging in the warm evening air. Welcome to Jemaa el-Fnaa, the pulsating heart of the Red City. For over 1,000 years, this square has been the stage for storytellers, musicians, and merchants. It's a chaotic symphony of energy where tradition meets the modern world in every shadow and every spotlight. As we move deeper, the open square gives way to the narrow, sun-dappled arteries of the Medina. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Step into the souks Semarine. Here, the sky is replaced by intricate wooden lattices, casting long geometric shadows across the limestone floor. Every corner is a feast for the eyes. Pyramids of spices rise like colorful dunes, their earthy aromas filling the narrow corridors. Soft silks and rugged wools line the walls, each thread telling a story of craftsmanship passed down through generations. Listen, the rhythmic ring of the brass hammer echoes through the souk Hadidine, where the air smells of charcoal and hot metal. These lanterns are more than just light. They are pieces of the Marrakech night, captured in copper and brass. In the leather souk, the smell of tannin is sharp and honest. Thousands of babouches wait in every color imaginable. But look closer, and you'll find quiet sanctuaries. Behind heavy wooden doors lie hidden courtyards where the chaos of the market fades into the sound of falling water. No journey through the souks is complete without the ritual of mint tea, the Berber whiskey. It's the scent of hospitality. Poured from a height to aerate the flavors, it's a moment of stillness in a city that never stops moving. Look down. The floors under your feet are masterpieces of geometry. Zellige tiles, each piece hand-chipped to fit a divine pattern. Even the local residents move with a certain grace. The cats of the Medina are the silent guardians of these ancient streets. Clay from the earth, shaped by hand and painted with the soul of the desert. The pottery here is as functional as it is beautiful. As we walk, the air changes. Now, it's the warm, balsamic scent of cedar wood from the Atlas Mountains being carved into art. As the sun begins its descent, the Red City earns its name. The walls glow with a fire that seems to come from within the stone. Then, the adhan, the call to prayer, rises above the rooftops, a hauntingly beautiful melody that unites the city. The day traders begin to pack, and the night stalls of the square find their second wind. The magic is just beginning. The aroma of harira soup and grilled merguez sausages fills the air once more. Marrakech is a city that eats with its soul. We've only just scratched the surface of this labyrinth. There are secrets here that take lifetimes to uncover. But for now, the moon watches over the Red City. Our journey through the heart of Marrakech is just the beginning. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.